Hey there, and welcome back to English with an Espresso, your go-to podcast for quick, practical English learning. Today, we are talking about a really useful word, compelled. This word adds depth to your language and makes your IELTS response sound more advanced. You might already know words like must or have to, but compelled takes things to a step further. It shows a strong emotional or moral force behind an action. And trust me, when you use it correctly, it can make a big difference in how natural and fluent you sound. So, what exactly does compelled mean? Simply put, compelled means feeling a strong need or obligation to do something. It is not just about doing something because you have to. It is about feeling pushed or driven to act, whether because of personal emotions or external pressure. For example, if you say, I felt compelled to help the injured dog, it means you didn't just choose to help, you felt like you had no other option because your emotions or morale push you to do it. Alright, so why is this word useful for IELTS? Firstly, it adds emotional depth. Saying I felt compelled sounds stronger and more natural than just say I wanted to. Secondly, it is versatile. You can use it to talk about personal experiences, strong opinions, or even social issues. Thirdly, it is a high scoring word. Examiners love precise vocabulary that adds depth to your answers. Okay, how to use compelled correctly? The most common structure is feel compelled to plus verb. Examples are I feel compelled to speak up when I see injustice. So it expresses moral responsibility. Next one is she felt compelled to apologize after realizing her mistake. So it describes a sense of obligation. Okay, last one. After watching the documentary, I felt compelled to take action. So it shows emotional influence. Now, let's look at how to use compelled in different IELTS sections. In speaking part 1, if you get, do you care about the environment? You can start your answer, yes, I feel compelled to recycle and reduce waste because climate change is a serious issue. Okay, in speaking part 2, if you get a question like, describe a time when you helped someone, you can say, I felt compelled to help an elderly man who was struggling to carry his bags. I just couldn't walk away without doing something. Okay, in writing tasks too, if you get, should wealthy people donate more to charity? You can say, many people feel compelled to give back to society when they achieve financial success. Alright, band 9 pro tip. Want to sound even more natural? Instead of just memorizing compelled, try using it in your daily life. Next time you make a decision, think, was I compelled to do this? The more you practice, the more confident you will be in using it naturally. That is it for today's espresso shot of English learning. Thanks for tuning into the English with an Espresso podcast. See you in the next episode. Thank you.